Guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to combine videos on Instagram Reels. So first of all, we will open up the Reels option. We will tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and then we will tap on the Reels option here, and we will record a reel here. Okay, so let's record a video here. Now, as you can see here, that this pink option here means that I have used this much time of my total reels time. Okay, I always hit the gallery option here, and let's add this video here at the end. Let's, here you can say it says 2 of 2 because it will appear after that reel. Okay, so I will click on the add option here, and as you can see that now this has done his this. Now I will record the reel again. Okay, so now if I just press the next option here, first my reel will play that I recorded at the first time, then that specific video will play that I choose from my phone, and then this reel will play. So if I tap on next here, here you can see that this play, and then this video plays here. Let it just play the video here, and after this one the last reel that I re- uh, recorded will play. Okay, here. So that's how to actually combine videos on Instagram Reels. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.